Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2022 Hot Wheels 5-pack with a special guest here. Say hi.
Hello.
And it's from the Motor Show 5-pack, and we got a Renault Sport, I believe, 2013 SRT Viper, a Aston Martin Vulcan, a Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is a 2022 Hot Wheels 5-pack, Motor Show 5-pack. You can read all that there. And the number is HFV80. That's the toy number for all 5 of these vehicles. Let's just get it right open. My special guest here opened up the last unboxing, so it's my turn now. I actually can't wait to get this 5-pack open. I've been dying to get this open ever since I got it. And what's this one? This one is the Renault Sport RS. And if it'll focus there, that would be nice. There we go. All these cars are made in Indonesia. Got great spinning wheels on it. And this has Renault Sport right on it. And a number 1. And red and black tampos with RS01. Renault Sport. And it's like a matte white. Ooh, it says Renault right on the spoiler. That's really cool. New 2022 5-pack, Renault Sport RS01. You can see that right there. Beautiful race car thingy. I think it's a race car. And black plastic base.
It is a race car.
Yeah, and it's got black lace wheels on it. Alright, moving on to the next car.
2013 Viper.
SRT.
Has very smooth rolling wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Show them.
And this has PR5 rims, and they're black.
They barely make any noise.
I know. That's what I like about the 5-packs. The cars made in Indonesia have really smooth spinning wheels. And you got the white stripes right there. And you can see the headlights are actually part of the windshield, and it connects in there. Just a beautiful casting we have here. Not much painted details as far as I can see, but definitely nice stripes there. Black interior. Plastic base. Made in Indonesia. 2013 Viper SRT. Alright, let's move on to the Aston Martin Vulcan. This is the newest edition of it for 2022 Hot Wheels Motor Show 5-pack. And we got it in nice orange this time. And black 10-spoke wheels on this one. You can see the canopy there. And painted details. We've got the painted headlights and the Aston logo. Aston Martin Vulcan. This casting first debuted in 2019 in a green version. And here's the base right there. Made in Indonesia once again. New 2022 model. And I actually have a white one from 2020 that I unboxed previously on the channel. Go check that video out. Alright, this is going to be my 5th one of these loose. It's the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. And we got it in different wheels this time. We got it in black Y5 wheels. And purple color this time. I got 5 different variations now loose. Painted details, as you can see right there. And just a beautiful one. I think this is going to be my new favorite one for the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. And some really nice castings in here. Plastic base. And you can see now I have 5 different variations of the XE SV Project 8. Still missing 3 of those variations, but hopefully I can order those online. Now we're going to the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is my first one of this casting, actually. And it actually looks quite nice. 2013 Mattel. First debuted in 2014. It's got black Trap 5 rims, trapezoid 5 spokes. Has some nice weight to it. Yellow color. Got an enamel yellow color with painted Lamborghini logo. And those triangle designs. I'm not sure what those are for.
To be 100% honest, the Lamborghini logo is an actual sticker. You activate it with water, and then you put it on, and then you dry it off with a Q-tip. It's actually a sticker.
That's cool.
That is actually not paint.
And this is has red designs, red tampos on it. Awesome casting. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento red interior. Plastic base. And that's all the show for the 2022 Hot Wheels Motor Show 5-pack. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.